Good morning, Standard 4 students. Good morning, wake up. We are gonna do lesson 2. Okay, remember that we always try our best, we are really positive about things. Today's lesson, we are going to continue with compound shapes. Yesterday, I showed to you through a video, I hope that you watched the video, how to find the area of compound shapes. Compound shapes again are those shapes that we can put together, right? For example, yesterday we're forming um, two rectangles, right? Like a L shape forming two rectangles. So putting two of them together will form a compound shape. Today then we're going to be finding the area of compound shapes with triangles. Here's the first example. If we look here, it looks like an arrow, right? So what can I do? We know that compound shape we can form two of them together. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to form a square and a triangle. And I'm going to label it T for triangle and S for square. I just do that so that I don't get confused, right? This has a formula. It can be base times the height divided by 2. Now, we have done this in a previous package, how to find the area, so it's a repetition for you. So it's easier whenever we take it part by part, right? So what is the base of this? It's not telling me anything here. I'm gonna put a question mark. I do not know this part here. But I do know that there's a little part which says 3 meters. Another part which says 3 meters. So I already have 6 of them. 6 meters. What will this be? We know that this side is equal to that side, so automatically then here it's gonna be 6. So 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. So the base is gonna be 12. Okay, so say 12 times the height. Is telling us the height here 9, and then we divide that by 2. So how much do I get? 12 times 9 divided by 2. Don't forget that is little part where we multiply, okay? So 12 times 9 will give us 108. And if we divide the 108 by 2, I can do a simple math here. 2 can go here 5 times, and 2 can go here 4 times. So my answer is 54. So I'll say 54 squared meters. This little part we cannot forget, the little square, because we are finding here. So what we just did, we only found this one. Now we're gonna find the area of a square, which says the formula side squared. We just fix that little part there. It's not a 5, right? Side square means side times side. So what is the side of this square? It's not 3. It's not 3. It's a 6, because it's a square. It's gonna be 6 times 6, and that will be 36. 36 cows? No, it's 36 squared meters. So now that I know this here and this here, I haven't finished. I just found the area of both of them. I need to add them together. So 54 plus 36 is gonna be how much? 4 and 6 give me 10. I carry the 1. I already have 6 there. 6 plus 3 give me 90. So my answer is gonna be 90 squared meters. So this is my answer. and easy as that, students. So looking at it at the first, there's no formula, but the formula will be here to join two of them together, right? Let's have another. Okay, I'm gonna redo this part again here. So here we first find we know that this part is gonna be 15. I'm gonna do it over again because I guess we made a mistake here. Okay, we didn't divide, so it's very important that we divide. So triangle is gonna be, see, if we don't follow the formula we make mistakes. Base times the height divided by 2. So here we say 15 times 4. A while ago we said we got 60, right? 15 times 4, but we forgot to do something. 15 times 4 is 60, and then but we need to divide it by 2. And then, you know, students, we make those kind of mistakes, but it's very important to realize our mistakes. So here it's gonna be 30. A while ago we said we left it at 60 and then we'll have got it wrong. Okay, so squared. Now I find the other one. This is 15 and we say that from here to here is 4, but we know that the length, the height from here up to here is 10. I already have 4, so how much more do I need to make it up to 10? I need 6. So it's gonna be rectangle 15 times 6, 15 being the length and 6 being the width. So 15 times 6 gives us 90 squared meters. So then my answer is gonna be that I need to add both of them. $30 and 90. And so we fix our mistake because a while ago we said 60. Okay, so 0, and that's it, squared meters. So student, if you have any questions, feel free to call me, okay? And you go ahead and complete lesson number 2. Here we have a rectangle. I can see that I have a rectangle, and I also have a triangle. So I form again. I'm gonna form a triangle to make it two shapes, right? That's a compound. That's why it's called compound, because we make two of them. Easily, let's do the first one. It's the rectangle. So I'll do the rectangle first. And the rectangle again is the length times the width. I'm repeating this so that you don't forget that we always multiply the length and the width for a rectangle. So it's gonna be 8 times 5. We know we are tables, we can work out faster, so we need to practice our tables. 8 times 5 is 40. This time is centimeters, so it's gonna be squared. Then I go to the triangle, and it doesn't matter which one I do first, okay? It says base times the height divided by 2. Here, students, what is the base? I know that from here up to here is 8. I already have 3, so if I put 5 here, then I need to say 5, 2, and 1, right? So the base is 5 and the height is 5. So I will say 5 times 5 divided by 2. So what I'm doing here is gonna be 10, 30, 25. We'll say 10 because I wanted to add, right? Divided by 2. So my area here is gonna be 12.5 or 12 and a half. I add it up, so So my answer is gonna be now, because I already found it two areas. I'm gonna say 40 plus 12.5, and I'm gonna get zero point 0.5 here, 2 and 52, and I can't forget my squared. I guess we made a little mistake on the previous one, so we're gonna go back to check example number 2.